Northwestern Bergen.
What the heck?
Northeastern New Jersey.
Another one.
Southeastern Orange County in southeastern
Northwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 8 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Highways, streets, and
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms
and low-lying areas.
Source: radar.
Some locations that will experience
Flash
flooding
flooding
include
of small
West
creeks and
Milford,
streams,
Wood,
urban
Delhi,
areas,
Monroe,
highways,
Warwick,
streets, and
Sloatsburg,
overpasses, as well as other poor
Greenwood
drainage
Lake,
and low-lying areas.
Florida, Harriman, Upper Greenwood Lake,
That will
Curious
experience
Hill,
flash flooding include
Oakland,
West Milford,
Montague,
Greenwood,
Woodbury,
Possum
West
Lake,
Haverstraw, and
Monroe,
Mojave.
Warwick, Sloatsburg, Bloomingdale, Chester, Greenwood Lake, Pomona, Florida, Harriman, Upper Greenwood Lake, Curious Hill, Stony Point, Oakland, Gwinnett, Woodbury, West Haverstraw, and Mount Ivy. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Flood watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Tuesday.
Here is the region.
Flash flooding caused by excessive